Hello and welcome to 10-Minute Meditations for Less Stress and More Joy. My name is Lauren LaPointe and thank you so much for being here. I wanted to give you a nice, warm, colorful welcome and just to say thank you for being here and for being willing to explore and learn about meditation. I wanted to go over what to expect from this course and cover some of the highlights that we're going to look at. So we're going to talk about some of the benefits and challenges to meditation. We're going to talk about how to start meditating. We're going to talk about how to sit for meditation because there's a lot that we have to look at for that. We're going to explore a few different types of meditation. We're going to talk about how to create a time and space for meditating. And we're going to look at things like what to do with your mind and those racing thoughts that always seem to occur whenever we try to meditate. And I'm also going to provide a lot of meditation resources for you so that if you have any questions or you're interested in a particular aspect of meditation, you'll have some resources that you'll be able to explore from this course. But mostly, we're going to practice meditation. I think that's really the best and only way to learn about meditation. We can study it, we can talk about it all day long, but until we actually practice, we're not really learning it. So I've prepared several short and very accessible meditations that I think you'll really enjoy. And we'll get to try and have a little taste of a few different styles of meditation. Okay, so that's going to be the focal point of this course. But before we jump right into meditating, we are going to cover some of the basics. So stay tuned for that. I look forward to seeing you in the sections ahead. And thanks again for being here. I'll see you soon.